getting his shots tonight.
Danny defending Kobe. Another miss. He's 4 of 13. So we've got 10 and a half here to play in the third quarter. Greg, what do you have?
Well, the Lakers started this half the same way they started the game. Phil Jackson said they didn't open the layoff or not, but they just weren't in sync. He said like Derby, but once it's the starting each, you can't wait to get out. And once they went out, they kind of were out of control at the beginning. He also said that Kobe Bryant didn't make any excuses. Nothing about his illness. Said those are shots he normally makes, and he'll continue to take.